Mama wakwaba wafreme Adwa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Mia notification bell also for more news.
Just ena da bia de bechi bia that the Fred is on the camera pe enam so nim so twere Kennedy Japan a ni page no so beye ma na boso men nsa beka $700,000-800,000 ntino. This fool that the Fred is creating a lot of inconsistencies and lies across the whole internet. Na dache hema so dinachi. Ena Baumia yere Samira you say na the intelligence of a human being no. Modiano, what is the level of it? Asema mo ankasa nipa na mudi na china ka kire mo. Wasi so a kire mo se party ni ko opposition a ono no emfa ne ho owo ni bribidi. So what is new? Say Samira Baumia ebeka kire mo se enipa no de waka nie. Enti se mokoto abama no na o di division ba party no ko opposition a wo na wakoto nkwase aba no wo na wo bebre. What is the insult in this? And as you can say insult or now attack a monte as you will. But before can your mumwa, you say no cre, a chance ubi asewa boakwasia. That is what you people are feeling now. Because you cannot cre naturemo. Yenya obaku kudu for oba nyansani oba ne ho efe, maame ne ho efe. Ejina ne nan so aka no kore no edia shemo eninti amonama moye all that enkwasi video Facebook and YouTube shows mode kan semfon na se nkanye bibia who that Fred ene wo daache hema mote Europe that Fred wa America ena wo daache hema wo Europe se nye sabio nimdie ayede ye hwehwemu nimdie ayede ye comparison yede ye analysis ena abomo to say Johnson abo akoko and how can you talk about CD depreciation in the year 2023? Unim say we are coming from an era every country in this world had a higher rate of inflation. Munim say every country in this world had about 40 to 50% of their currency depreciation. Now you guys mutia brushira munimu nsem we nyina mutimu gada mo ho eso kamera simonim na modi CD to dollar ena eye campaign in the same party. Enye NDC against MPP. Eye MPP and MPP. And I choose who to lead them. What a fuck does that got to do with CD depreciation? You see, Kenyansa ewo utim. The entire person that gets no meto abamau na umedi amanyoko na nim. Na wonto a enyuma amanyoko na yeden amanyoko na ban ne ba ye waye for example mi amwakọ aba kwaku amwakọ nso mwakọ aba yese monka TNT a wo se yento abama mo na monkodi party anim yanka nkyerɛ mo se monto abama me di monka de wo pese wo mra emeye ma o man no. We are not up to that point. Now we are at the lower level. Now, Jimmy Modi Yankwasia campaigner, Modi say party na Modi Jan Trogu party no so. Se Mohana book in Japan or Orenia. On which record is she going to stand on the platforms to campaign? Anamo Jimmy. Now, the Yami Yamponi say, what the mamma or to you can in the furniture, Quasiabano, Maribu do the oro NDC ni asoma ne so mra medi o mesei amanyuko no na NDC ntimi wen nti ono de memfa na asem nya asem na wo daddy Fred ne da ache hema ma me wo hu ni ma ase baifo timi toto na no kokko no te ho hu ni ma ase gangster woman na Jimmy kwasi akeka saa na mo Jimmy because second in the Japan win the flag bella na yemfa ne say o win the general election kurana daddy Fred da ache hema enkwasi afo mo dwene se mo na obefa mo free ba bia mo tse mo mra me ministers ana enye nkrofo ya mo twa bo mo ya na do mo ministers enye nkrofo ya mo se o mo apompon o mo ni mo nyansa o mo agimi o mo da o mo nwene wan na enye o mo ana Kennedy di o mo benante enti dia mo ye no dia na mo ye eye Jimmy campaign na mo ya na se eye viewership campaign kura san ye Jimmy kase campaign na ene de na the wife of the vice president of the Republic of Ghana yes ma me ntimi ntɔ bag papa nkita ene na namodi pa hey so have you reduced the intellectuality in the party into foolish and idiocy messages and this if we could show mo ofisa ensemfo kekere ho na mo MPP for mama to kwantia buruchire amunim de eko na the bagger the vice president wife ekitano no ene na mode ye mo campaign message against ideas mpainfo bi no mo a mo pese mo mfa mesesa party no mo mfa nsansesa Ghana man no maye mo de bag na ye campaign chesa mo ne message ena Messi factory ena maye we factory na mo besini mo nsi ne factory na mo pese mo nsi no mo nsi ne you don't need to be a president to build factories ena Kennedy di obo be bia adwuma hey chairman daddy Fred so enyansa na wanyini Jimmy no ya adoso social media no so se wopa na oba be campaign ama Kennedy Japan wa miwia Kennedy na wo nsem bebra obetumi di aka e dey campaign ama no enye mbunkura sekeka ena Dr. Bawumia is a fellow ena Dr. Bawumia ena he say the economic management team he is a fellow they look at the dollar to CD rate ena wonderful that we yankwasi afo if you base on these issues to talk about internal campaign Jimmy and I dokromo mimintani atempetene I will fire you daddy Fred because many why you juma pen me ba wo page so be kasa minim eko amene unyina ako in defending the dollar to CD rate enti unim so whatever you are talking about today no eye ani da ho bone what you have ani da ho bone me I don't want to speak it ani kwase me can no English eyani da ho bone a mo ahye da transe wodan mu akuku say mo pese mo fan say party no but by so doing you know and this if we be go mu page